yellow. Here. Yes. It's like in Baguio, it's like shawarma. Islam, stoner roll.
Yeah.
Welcome. Shawarma, masarap.
Okay, thank you. We go. Oy, dun oh, may Philippine store. Oy, mahalika, i-explain mo muna to.
Hot dog, sausage. Sausage. It's like, it looks like delicious.
Hello. Thank you.
I like this one. It's like Filipino food. Oh yeah.
Anong tawag dyan?
Parang ano siya, parang barbecue ba? Tusok-tusok. Oh yeah, talagang parang ano siya, parang
Magsalita ka ikaw ang ano. Explain mo yung mga yan.
ito.
Chicken, mayroon tayong sausage. It's like in Philippine,
Oh yan, like bisukol.
okay. Next stop tayo. Ayan, this is the food festival.
Food trip, mag-food trip tayo.
Yes, let's go food trip. Ay, meron na akong title nito. Ayan, let's go the masarap.
Yes. At chicken, have chicken.
Oh my God, it's like
Barbecue.
barbecue.
I like the chicken and the sausage.
It's same la. Let's go another. Ayan, let's go another. We have so many stores.
We are cold.
Yes. Please, can you explain what is this?
Dumplings.
Next stop is, what is this? It's like Korean.
Dumplings.
Yeah, no. Dumplings. So many food here. Magsalita.
No need pa.
Ayan, yung tagapagsalita ko guys, napagod na siya.
Oh, this one. I like it.
Okay, let's go over there.
Oh, I like this one.
Oh my God, so
Looks
nice.
delicious.
Yes.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Barbecue. This is Bob.
Halika na, yan ang gusto.
Babu fast food.
Try mo, sarap yan talaga. Halika na, bilhin na. Then shawarma, chicken biryani, may dito mga
Yes,
sarap yan
shawarma,
talaga.
yummy.
Where is the biryani? Is this one?
Okay, let's see. So many food
Oh,
here.
you see this one? This one is biryani food. It's ano ba yun? No. Biryani food is
Indian food?
yes, it's Pakistan food.
Okay,
Biryani.
okay.
And what is this one? Yeah, I tried some.
Pwede
It's
chicken.
biryani food. It's Pakistani food.
Bilhin na, sarap yan.
Next time.
Ay, nako.
It's black.
Oh my God, this This one is so many. Oh, let's go to fruit stand. Wow! I like this. Buy tayong tubig lang. Oo. Sa para sa ano, may ayan. So,
Meron na bang buko juice?
yan, we have tebuko, may orange, may carrots. This is fruit. Yes. And then, let's go another, kasi may nakita akong Philippine food. Tara, let's go! Alan, balik na tayo, hindi na siya food trip dyan.
Ito, marami siya. Oh.
Pabalik na, pabalik yan. We have so many barbecue here, like in the Philippines. And, oh my God, many people, let's go. It's today's food trip day. Ayan, it's like same. The way you prepare the food. Where's my tour guide na?
Ay, ano, mag-pili tayo ng kainin natin.
Okay, manlibre daw siya, pero let's go first. Ay, what is this? This is talaba.
Yeah.
Talaba. Ba't kinakain yan in fresh? Pag galing sa dagat, sarap. Oh, what is this? Okay. This one is
This or
sweets. Yes. It's like yeah, they have many desserts. The next stop is only dumplings. Ayan, next stop is our Taiwan. So, see? And this is the food. Next is oh, so many kind. Fry. Next is gusto ko yung Philippines. Puntahan natin. Oh, what is this? Strawberry. Ay, ganun pala. Look, it's so like. It's so nice. Like a strawberry. Ayan. Next stop is, what is this? Orange, may pineapple, strawberry, grain, watermelon is the shake, fruit shake. So, of course, hindi tayo mawawala ng kesyo. Ay, wala pa. Close. Now, let's go to the Philippines. Now is the
the
Philippines.
Philippine food.
Yes.
Alam niyo,
Welcome to the
doon umuwi ako noon pumunta sa Kapat.
Okay? Ipinagmamalaki natin ang ating-atin. Kaya bili na.
Yes.
Yes. Wow! Ay, may
balot. May pino. Oh, really? This one is called balut.
yeah, still have balut.
This is my favorite Philippine food.
Yeah.
Yes, this one is so delicious. So yummy.
The egg, no? This one, egg.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
One of the highest paid street food in the Philippines.
How much
Ayan.
is the balut?
15. Ayan. Food trip tayo mamaya. Ayan. May chicken.
Hindi muna daw siya. Here.
This is kakanin. Puchinta.
Lumpia.
Mayroon tayong chicken barbecue. Always chicken banana Q. Yan, it's so yummy. Banana Q. And that's last stop is Tourist Sand Coffee. Oh, Tourist Sand Coffee.
Turkish.
Yeah, the Turkish. Yes. Let's see what's inside. Okay. This is... Uy, alik ka nga sis. Ano nga tong ano nila? Turkish Sand Coffee? Okay, and that's the end. Ayan. There's so many coming out soon.